fresh cilantro. We're going to fry up 2 pounds of hamburger and turn that into taco meat. Here comes our taco seasoning and water. Now we're going to put our tater tots in per the directions on the bag, and see you in a little bit. Next, I'm going to put the nacho cheese, the taco meat, and the chili in our 3-compartment slow cooker. By the way, if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description box to the exact one at Amazon. And by the way, I do get maybe 50 cents if you buy it through my link, so just throwing that out there. There you go. We have our taco meat, our chili, and our nacho cheese in the warmer. So here's our nacho bar. We have Frito chips, we got Doritos, we have corn chips, some tater tots, because who doesn't love nacho cheese and taco meat on tater tots? Here's our taco meat. We have some chili, nacho cheese, refried beans, and we have fresh cilantro, chopped onion, chopped tomato, some black beans, some fresh jalapenos, black olives, sour cream, some shredded cheddar cheese, guacamole, and salsa. Hope you enjoy.
Chips.
Taco meat's good too.
Anyway.
Are you nervous?
Oh yeah.
Why?
I don't know. There's so much to make, and well, I'm going for 4 and 5.
Yeah, got plenty.
Chips, chips, chips. Cheese, cheese.
Cilantro.
Those are done. Yay. Look.
Is it good? You gonna try tater tots next?
I put some in here and I dipped it in some cheese.
Thanks everyone for watching. This is awesome. Not your traditional cooking video, but just thought I'd share what we do and some tips around this. Great for Super Bowl parties, entertaining. So I got all the ingredients down in the description box. And if you don't mind, if you'd like, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.